start Tai Chi. This is called Taming the Horse's Mane. We're starting to move into more moving Tai Chi actual activities now, since we've become so advanced. You're going to turn the left foot in and the right foot out. So you're in a mini lunge. You need to be in a lunge to create this channel. We're going to do one hand at a time. Bring the back leg arm, bring it behind your back, and the arm in the front, bring it back by your hip. All your weight goes above your back leg to start. And then exhale and throw a frisbee, shoulder height, bringing your weight onto the front leg. Inhale, hand comes back to your hip. Exhale, throw a frisbee. Inhale, back to your hip. So the hips are staying the same direction. They're not facing in the direction of the foot. They're slightly turned out, maybe 45 degrees. But your torso's going to turn all the way to the back. Keep it, the hips are going to stay still the whole time. And as you throw the frisbee, there's a slight turn in the upper back. Inhale, bring it back, slight turn, twist, rotation in the upper back, hips stay still. Exhale, throw. Inhale. And exhale, throw. Shoulder height. This elbow points down. So the elbow point points down. You're not out like this. It's down, and that recruits the external rotators of the rotator cuff. So this is a rotator cuff strengthening, but that's actually the alignment of the shoulder should be here, elbow pointing down. If I bent it, you can see it more. Throw it out, elbow points down, bring it back. That also drives your shoulder down away from your ear, where it belongs, for safety. So I'm just shifting my weight from the back to the front as I throw the frisbee and point the elbow down. Now we're going to work on the other arm. So put this hand behind your back, and the back arm, you're going to hold a ball in a minute. So pretend it's a ball. It's on the top of the ball, which is shoulder height. And the only thing this arm is going to do is it's going to go down and up. And it's going to stay right where it is in space. So my body's going to go back and forth, but this hand is going to go up and down right where it is. So it's going to look like it goes back some, but it's really just going up and down. If you reference it to the foot, it's staying still. If you reference it to my hips, it looks like my hips are in front of it, my hips are in back of it. My hips are in front of it, my hips are in back of it. Exhale, shift your weight forward. Inhale, come up to the top of the ball and shift back. Exhale, push it down and shift forward. Inhale, shift back. Exhale, push down and shift forward. Exhale. Inhale. And we're going to put them together. I'm going to make a ball. I'm on the back leg, 100%. I can lift my foot. I'm going to make a chi ball, a ball of energy, a ball of chi. It's almost like I'm holding onto a ball. One hand's at the hip, one hand's at the shoulder. We're going to come down and throw the frisbee. Bring it all back. Exhale, throw the frisbee and push the hand down. Inhale, bring it all back. Exhale, throw the frisbee, Watch your fingers. Inhale, bring it all back. Exhale, throw the frisbee. Elbow points down. Inhale, bring it all back. Hold the ball. Exhale, throw the frisbee. Elbow points down. Inhale, bring it all back and hold the ball. It's like a beach ball. Exhale, throw the frisbee. Elbow points down. Inhale, bring it all back to the ball. Inhale, throw the frisbee. Elbow points down. Exhale, bring it all back. Keep going at your own tempo. And we're going to add one little thing to this. Come back to the ball. Think of the beach ball, and as you shift your weight, the beach ball is getting, the chi ball, the energy ball is getting smaller and smaller and smaller. And so the hands are coming real close together, and then you're pulling them apart, like you're raking these top fingers across a horse's mane. It's as if there's a horse's mane, like this handkerchief in your hand. You're holding the horse's mane like this, and your top hand is going through the mane and untangling the hairs. So the bottom hand is supporting the mane, the top hand is raking through. Hence the name of the exercise. Ball. Back with the ball. Untangle the horse's mane right here. Pull it apart. Throw the frisbee. Bring it back to the beach ball. Exhale, hands come closer together, untangle the mane, throw the ball. Throw the frisbee. Inhale, bring it all back. Exhale, untangle the mane. You're making the horse's life better, more organized, less chaotic. So this is a metaphor for cleaning the chaos out of your mane. You're untangling the chaos from your mane, from the tangles, and then this bright, shiny, unchaotic mane offers it to the world. Ball. Clean the mane. Clean the chaos out. So you're serving this beautiful mane here, and the energy is going away from you down here. The tangles, the chaos, the stress, the anxiety is going out through this palm. You're almost throwing it away back here. Gathering the chi. Gathering the energy, bringing it, compressing it together, cleaning it out, clean the chaos, the stress, the anxiety. Serve the world with your beautiful mane, throwing away the chaos to the back, getting rid of it. Dumping it behind you. I'm exaggerating with my hands, but that's what's going on in my head, is I'm throwing this away. This is leaving me. The chaos is going away. Elbow points down. Let's try the other side. Foot turns in slightly, so your hips are facing this way, the knee is facing this way, the foot is facing this way. That less anxiety at the knee. Shift your weight back. Hold the chi ball. Let's do one at a time. This front arm comes to the back hip. Throw the frisbee. Shift your weight forward. Throw the frisbee. Shoulder height. Elbow point must point down to save the shoulder. Inhale. Exhale. Throw the frisbee. Shift weight forward. Inhale. Exhale, throw the frisbee, elbow points down. Exhale, throw the frisbee. Come back to the start, shift your weight to the back leg. The twisting happens in the upper torso, not the hips. Well, at the very end, the hip comes in, I'll show you. And many times they'll lift this front foot even, so there's no weight on it. Exhale, throw the frisbee. A little bit of the hips come forward, come forward a little. Elbow points down. You have to really pull into the shoulder blade to get the elbow to point down. You can feel it. It feels like you're pulling the shoulder blade to the front body. You're wrapping the shoulder blades to the front of the body is the sensation. And that's the recruitment of the rotator cuff. Now let's put this hand behind your back, and the back arm is on top of your ball. And it's just going to go up and down. Shift forward. Shift back, it goes to the top of the ball. Shift forward, it goes to the bottom of the ball. There's a little bit of a curve at the bottom. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. So I made my foot a little, the stance a little wider because my knee's going too far over my ankle. So if you widen your stance, the knee won't go so far past the ankle. It stresses out the knee. Okay, let's put it all together. So you're at the back of your leg, the back leg, all the weight, holding the big beach ball. The back arm's on top. Shift your weight forward as you throw the frisbee and push down. Inhale, bring it all back to where it was. Exhale, throw the frisbee. Shoulder height, elbow points down. Inhale, bring it all back. Exhale, throw the frisbee. Inhale, bring it all back. Now we're going to add that untangling the main piece. So as you come through, bring the ball gets smaller, 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 more compressed, more intense, and then the top hand is going to strip the mane of the chaos that's in it, the tangles, and you're going to serve your beautiful mane to the world, and the backhand is throwing away the chaos, the tangles. Inhale, bring it all back to the beach ball. Exhale, untangle the mane. Inhale, bring it back to the beach ball. Exhale, untangle the mane. Hands come close together. Elbow down. Now we're going to take it to another level. You're going to do the same thing, but it's a metaphor for your life as well, not just a horse. Your life gets more concentrated, more concentrated. And think of the top hand as the ego shadow and the bottom hand as the true self. So the false self and the true self, and you're splitting them apart, pull them apart. And you're serving your true self, your soul, to the world, and you're throwing away the false self, the 7 deadly sins, the shadow self, the shadow passions, whatever you want to call it. A paraphrase of Shakespeare, a rose by any other name is still a rose. It's all the same thing. It doesn't really matter what you call it. It's all the same thing. So hands are coming together. Rake through. You're raking through the self, removing the shadow, throwing it away, and serving your true self. Inhale, come back to the beach ball. Exhale, clean the chaos, the 7 deadly sins out of your life. Throw them away, you don't need them. And be you. Inhale. And this is Tai Chi philosophy, by the way. I'm not making this up. It's Asian philosophy. It's not yoga philosophy. The yoga philosophy for this is all is one. The Tai Chi philosophy is this. Or this applies to it anyway. And it is the act of reverence that rids it. So right here, the reverence comes in. Reverence, reverence, reverence. Reverence is going to strip through and untangle the chaos of pride and throw it away. And you're left with you to serve. Inhale. Reverence comes in. Reverence, reverence. You're compressing yourself. Reverence comes in and untangles the chaos, the pride. Pride. Get rid of it. And you're clean. Comb the pride away and let it go behind you. Let it go. It's that simple. See it, observe it, comb it away with reverence, and let it go behind you. It no longer serves. See the pride in your bottom hand. Reverence is going to clean it. Let it go behind you. It no longer serves you. Be you. One more. See the pride in your bottom hand. As you exhale, the reverence strips it. And you throw the pride away. You let it go. You don't even have to throw it away. You just let it go behind you. Let it drift back behind you like water down a drain. It's gone. Come back to standing.